Happy birthday.
Enough. It's been 3 weeks. Enough. This is how you talk. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's channel where we're gonna react to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. And with further ado, we just get right into the video. That's how you say it. I don't even know why they follow. Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani,
and we're back with another video.
Boop. See, so you don't have to edit. Happy now? Boop. I'll do that from now on.
So from the last video, he was mad because I didn't.
See, you talk like that.
So from the last video, he was mad because I don't add the sound anymore of our hook.
It's
signature.
It was our signature. We started YouTube doing this hook and we'll end doing this hook. Anyways, let's all admire this beautiful Instagram page.
What would you do?
Oh, I got 2 more. I'm 57,000 subscriber. I'm just visualizing.
But like, why would you post the exact same picture?
It's not same. Look at that leg. How high it is.
It's the exact same picture.
No.
Today's video, we are done with all this women Instagram raid because
we're gay. We want some needs. We want to see some abs, some V shape.
That's what
some butts.
That's what I was not gonna say.
Oh, no?
But
okay.
We're done with girls for now, just because, and we are reacting to some male.
Tell me more.
Enrique Gil.
Gil. Okay.
Gil. Jack and Jill with up the hill.
I don't know. I don't know these things, and that's okay.
So yes, you heard it right. Only here. Can you imagine those, like the other YouTubers, like?
Yes, you heard it right. Only here on this channel, you're gonna see Enrique Gil's Instagram raid.
It's only here because we're the only one for real.
Anyway, comment below what kind of other videos you would like us to react. Yani in the house, mother. Comment below what kind of videos you would like us to react to next, and which Instagram you want us to raid. And there's a lot of Instagram raids coming up because Enrique Gil is very popular, Julia Barreto is also very popular, and Andrea Brillantes is also very popular.
I keep seeing them in the comments.
Keep seeing their names. Just keep on coming back. It's probably with the exact same person who commenting the exact same name.
Oh well.
But who knows? Anyway, so for this video, we're gonna go ahead, scooch over to make space for my other boyfriend,
which is this one, and my Instagram account. So you tell me to scooch over. Literally, I don't move. You just climb on top of me. That's what you do all the time.
Fabio became so Canadian. He's so getting offensive easily. Anyway, you guys see, this is the boring Instagram of Fabio.
It's
don't follow
not
him.
Boring.
Follow me
it's
instead.
Beautiful. And if you go scroll really far down,
wow,
ooh,
Fabio.
you see some good stuff.
Fabio is naked.
Woo.
Wow.
Don't go too far because then they don't follow me. Without further ado, let's get right into the
wait,
video.
not yet.
No, I'm done.
No, not yet. I'm not done yet because many people have been commenting that I'm a good singer.
Are you insane? Yani, no.
What song you were singing?
No. The two videos that he sang Happy Birthday to me, I went to bed with a terrible headache both days. And I don't get headaches ever.
Many of you have been asking for a shout out. His name is Joseph de los Santos. He is taking his costume licensure exam soon. I think later this month, November 21st or something.
Yeah, 21st.
And we just want to wish him good luck.
Good luck!
And shout out to you, and thank you all for watching. Another shout out to
Jeter Gregorius,
Grace Zashi,
Danessa Diaz.
So we're gonna continue the shout outs in the next videos. There's a lot of long intro. It's 7 minutes already.
It's you wasted my life.
Enrique Gil. There's Enrique Iglesias.
I know, I love Enrique Iglesias.
2.6 million.
I'm loving the first few pictures that I saw. But first, let's...
The first one is a picture of 2 white people.
Oh, he's the guy that... Oh, but he died, that guy.
Oh, so is he doing like a tribute or something?
Oh, I used to watch it because he was on Discovery Channel, if I'm not wrong, or National Geographic.
Oh, and he loves
got beat by
he only posted 317. Oh, this is gonna be a short video. Thank God. And he's following a lot of people.
He is.
He must follow us, right? Looks like a screenshot from
a movie or something.
A movie or a show that he is part of. Paalam Tito Banks, we lost good one today. Goodbye kiss from Shander. Oh, he loves Halloween, which I'm so excited because we love Halloween too.
Yeah, I love this costume.
I love dressing
I'm
up for
already
Halloween.
loving this. I wanna see. I'm praying it's not a boomerang.
I hope not.
Oh,
dang!
oh, Oh, that looks like fun.
Oh, so they were
my
in a
God.
scary house in the Philippines.
So,
Halloween
guys, I
party.
need to tell you something about my life. So,
Something.
I almost killed my friend once because we were in a scary house. And I got so scared that I ran over her. I was trying to close a gate on her because I was so scared and I wanted to get out of it.
Here are the photos of him from that night. Oh my god. He's
Very
so
cool.
sexy already in
He
that
is.
costume and all that makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, Edward Cullen. Edward
Cullen.
Edward Uling.
I want him to bite me with these silver teeth.
Oh, this is Joker.
Yes. Oh, you just got it?
There's so many tributes to this Instagram. It's starting off a little bit emotional and sad.
They are gonna tell us.
Yeah, comment down below, guys. 300 posts only in this Instagram page, and I feel like 50 of them are Halloween pictures. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I see a familiar picture right there.
Liza, is that Liza? Oh,
We
yes.
see that familiar picture. King and my queen.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it was Liza. Oh, look at them. They're endorsed by a motorcycle. He's actually cute. Nice smile. Oh, I love him with glasses on.
Yeah, he's very cute. I think it's Firmo glasses, the one that you got.
Where was he? Oh.
Stadium. What is it? A concert? Los Angeles
No, this is
County.
basketball.
Oh,
I think he's a basketball player. I don't know. I'm gay. What do I know?
he really loves motorcycles, I think.
That's all the transportation in the Philippines. That's all how they travel.
In Italy too, they use it a lot.
Oh, look at the
Oh
both of
wow,
them.
they're so cute. He has a beautiful face.
I
Beautiful baby face.
I find Liza so pretty. I don't know what
she
it
is.
is.
Yeah, no, she is.
Like, isn't she the one who was the most beautiful woman in 2017 or something?
She's so beautiful.
She's so pretty.
Yeah, but can we talk about his skin? It's so perfect. I can tell it's not really filtered, this picture.
It's not. But my eyes can't keep away from Liza's. But what is he wearing jacket in the Philippines for? Philippines
There's
is
AC.
boiling.
He doesn't want to get sore neck. He's like, I remember this one.
I think I know where he got that shirt from. I think that is Zara.
Zara 2018 collection summer. All the guys in
All the
Toronto
gays are wearing
were
that
wearing
outfit.
This damn outfit. I hate it.
It's so in this year. I love
hate
it. I was gonna buy that.
Thank
that
God
shirt.
you did not buy it.
Oh, look at him. He's wearing a sweater again.
He's like,
in the
"Boom."
Philippines. He has that boy band look in this
Yeah.
one.
With the hair, like
The hair, yeah.
messy hair, but beautiful.
Yeah.
Like I just woke up and I'm pretty and I can rock this.
I woke up like this.
Oh, there we go.
So he was, I think he's
Bench
a bench
every
model.
day.
Yeah.
Amigos, amigas, vamos a bailar.
All right,
Step
delicioso.
one,
Habla español.
clap. Step 2, delicioso swing.
Oh,
Ready?
Oh my god, he's so sexy.
he can move.
He can move. Oh my god, he's
Oh.
such. He has like a swagger.
What is it? Sardines?
Sardines.
Oh, I love sardines.
Amigos, amigas.
Amigos, amigas, Enrique Gil habla español. He can speak
Oh.
Spanish. Oh my gosh.
Mhm.
But that move, the hips has a mind of its
Yeah, he's
own.
like,
he was just like
"Mm."
this. Hey.
Teach me. I want private classes.
No, I want YouTube tutorial Enrique Gil.
no, I want him here.
There's another video.
Okay,
I think
let's
he's
see.
dancing again. So
It
hopefully
looks
he's
like-
dancing again.
From the preview, it looks like he's peeing on a wall.
Yeah, but I think he's dancing. Hey, Kiki. Do you love me?
Oh my god, he can
Alright.
dance. Oh, he's so
Oh,
cute.
he can do hip hop. Hey, fuck it up. Hey.
Oh,
I did it in the Philippines too, but I was in a bangka. I was in a small boat. Oh, such a nice photo.
That's a beautiful picture. They look so into what they're doing.
That's
Checking
actually
out
a
our
nice
Instagram. That's what they're doing.
No, they're watching us on YouTube right now.
Oh, that's
yeah,
why.
they're watching us.
They're
That's
like,
look at them. They're
"Oh,
laughing.
guys, like-
oh my god! Ha, ha, ha.
Let me subscribe.
But I love this photo actually.
The
It's so
colors,
cute.
those oranges. Oh, she's Liza. Did I recognize her from this angle?
She's so pretty. She's always so pretty. Model shot.
But that color on me, it looks like I'm wearing nothing. Is that a picture of him when he's a baby?
Is that him as a baby? No, that's not him as a baby.
Oh, Cheetos!
Him and Liza.
I wish we were sponsored by Cheetos.
Him and Liza love Cheetos, and they all love the spicy too.
The jalapeno are the best.
I feel like me and you and Liza and Enrique Gil would have a very good time.
Yeah, we should go out on
We
a
should just-
on a 4 people date.
How about a double date?
Oh,
You're
that-
making
is that how
yourself
it's called?
complicated. Yes.
Paris. Paris.
Bonjour.
Oh, it's the mom of one of the two.
Who's this guy?
Yeah, who is he?
Run it back, go. Hey, Joseph, we talk to you per second, huh?
He loves basketball. See, that was him. He took a photo for. He loves basketball.
I never understood basketball.
Oh my God,
wow,
Liza.
she's there. They're wearing the same glasses. So cute.
What's up, buddy?
I'm done.
Look, he has a YouTube tutorial.
Oh my God,
He has a
a
YouTube tutorial, a facial
Please
wax.
tell me more about.
Oh, Bello.
Injection. Inject him.
He cute, whatever.
He's cute. I like his. Oh
Despacito.
my God, so cute.
No, Despacito. Boomerang.
Yes.
Oh, there. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Damn.
He can dance for real.
it.
He can dance. You know those people that are just like, oh, I love dancing, but they don't have the natural groove in their body that they're so tight.
Yeah.
You can tell he's can
loose.
dance.
He's like boom.
Like you're a bit tight. No,
I am.
no
it's
offense.
true.
You know it.
It's
you see
true.
it.
I am tight.
Compared to Josh.
I'm
You're
very
dancing
flexible, but
Oh my God, you guys, we did this
Oh.
challenge.
it was so hilarious.
Check out our Instagram. I mean our YouTube. Final thoughts, Fabio.
I love his Instagram. You can tell he's like a very cool guy. He has his swag, he's funny, he loves sports, bikes. Love it. He could be my perfect husband.
Anyway, he's so cute. He's always so cute. Him and Liza are gonna make a perfect couple ever. They're gonna make the best looking babies.
Oh my
ever.
God, can you imagine those babies?
I can't wait.
Oh.
Yeah. I hope you guys like this
So
video.
handsome.
And comment down below what kind of other videos you'd like us to do and some challenges. We're thinking of doing a lot of challenge videos now. Challenges. So comment down below what kind of challenges and let us know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you all next time.
Peace.
Ciao!